So today is day 5 of the move-in Stecker house, whatever, and the moving truck just showed up, which is really good, but also really bad because we're having problems with them. But very good because we can finally get our furniture and like our beds and like everything that we want. So you guys, so the movers put down this like blue and red carpet thing so that they don't get dirt in our house, and they're right outside right now. Fingers crossed this goes well. I hope they have like all of our stuff because I want my bed so bad, but we'll see. Right, you guys, so the truck is moving back into our driveway. I'm not sure how they're doing it.
Good driver.
Yeah, he is. All of our stuff's in there. This is my new dresser. Mimi, show my new dresser. Isn't it nice? Super nice. This is my new mirror. Cleaning up paint. Making oh, there's another box spring. Where's that gonna go?
Guest room.
Guest bedroom. Look at Mimi. Over here wiggling her finger.
Size, right?
Yeah.
That goes in the guest room.
Alright guys, he brought the box spring in and I'm pretty sure it's gonna take up half of the bedroom. So we'll see. I like your shirt. Everything is going great.
You're going great first.
What you got, Mom?
Scissors.
What are you unfolding, you weirdo?
What size is that one?
Oh, the same size.
The big reveal.
Guys, my family loves apples, but I think Mom might have overdone it just a little bit. Progress. Oh, just to let you guys know, all of those bags are full to the top with stuffed animals since I've been like 6 years old.
You're gonna have to donate them.
Yeah. Watch out.
Yeah,
She's got a bow.
That's my mother.
she was talking to him.
They're crazy, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're going to town on that box.
Cardboard.
That's not a good face.
What's really nice is the fact like they know closed. There's 2 of them in here.
Put that down, Mom. All right, so the painting has begun. Yeah. She's painting right now.
Gotta get started. Go for it. All yours.
Oh, by the way, I don't think you would want to put together a baby crib because
Babies require work.
So,
Whoa!
oh, that's my leg.
yeah.
So that's when I was doing a handstand and I fell over. And
Well then, now you know, don't do handstands.
Sexy pants. You gotta bring that up, eh?
yeah, she did.
Mhm.
So you're gonna be sleeping, all of a sudden your bed's gonna break, and it's not gonna be because of you. It's gonna be because of me.
Monster. Look at all those nostril hairs. Meh.
Guys, so it is currently like 10:30. I'm so tired, but this is a process. I have a box spring right here, and then I have a mattress on top, so I'm sleeping on an actual bed tonight. I have this extra stuff that needs to get out of here. I added this. It's kind of cute. I love it. And then I have this whole chair full of stuffed animals, mostly from Garrett, not gonna lie. This one's for my brother and stuff. This one's from my dad's house. Like, just a bunch of random ones. Like, oh crap. For example, one from Garrett, which I'm not sure why he gave me, but whatever. This I got from the fair. You know, just a bunch of fun, random, miscellaneous stuffed animals. But I'm actually really excited to sleep in a real bed tonight. I found my rabbit Garrett got me, and I have my little bear he got me also. I would show you the process, but everybody's sleeping right now of what it looks like out there. The living room is pretty much together, but I did add a shoe rack, so that's really nice. Obviously, I'm going to put that stuff in the dresser so it'll be nice and clean and clear back there. Put some hats. I have my extra stuff that's all going to be hung up in my closet in the corner. That's going to be like all over my room, and I just haven't gotten there yet. My GoPro over there. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to. And make sure you guys keep watching my videos because I'll keep you guys posted on how the house is looking and yada yada yada. Also, my sister made a video of her and I answering 10 questions, and if we get them wrong, then we had to get freezing cold water. Seriously, freezing cold water all in our head. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys go subscribe to her channel. Her channel is just Shelby Stecker, so go on YouTube, check her out if you would like. Otherwise, I hope you guys liked my video, and I'll see you guys next time.